Watch this video and learn how to draw a Christmas bell.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Well, hello, Artie. You're in a good mood.
Yeah,
What happened?
Artie in a very good mood.
Would you like to draw something Christmassy?
Yeah,
How about a Christmas bell?
yay! Artie made art.
Yay!
Okay.
What's up, Artie?
Hello, Artie!
Way.
Hi, guys. We're glad you're here as well. Okay, Artie, are you ready to start? Let's draw this Christmas bell.
Man, he's really gonna have to focus on this one.
Yes, he is.
Let's start by drawing a curved line from the left side of the page up and across to the right side. Now let's make an exact copy of that line just below. Join the two ends on the right. That's it. And also join the two ends on the left. When we colour in the bell, I think we should make it gold.
Yeah.
I know you like colouring things in gold, Artie.
Okay.
Now let's draw a little circle underneath the bell. This is called the clapper.
What?
It's a little ball that sits inside the bell, and when the bell moves, it swings back and forth and rings the bell.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Let's draw the underside of the bell. A curved line from the left side up to the ball, and then from the ball across to the right side.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louis. That was very helpful. Now, Artie, draw 3 little circles at the top. We're going to draw holly on top of our bell. So these little circles are the berries on the holly. Let's do 3 berries. Now we're going to draw the leaves of the holly. Holly leaves are very spiky, so let's draw curvy spikes all the way across to the berries. Very good. Now underneath, let's draw another line of curvy spikes. Keep going, Artie. You're doing great. Let's draw a holly leaf coming straight down towards the bottom of the bell. A spiky line coming down on the left. Okay, now we have 2 holly leaves. Let's do a third one. Now you've had a lot of practice, Artie, so you should be quite good now at drawing a spiky line. Oh yes, Artie, I think you're an expert holly leaf drawer now.
Yeah.
Complete that leaf.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
You know, you're so good at drawing these holly leaves, Artie. Let's do a 4th one on the right side. Oh yes, look at you go now. You're an expert.
Yeah. Holly expert.
Yes. Let's start drawing a bow at the top, underneath the holly. Draw a squashed oval on the left and another squashed oval on the right. Curve all the way back up towards the berries. Now do the same on the right side. very nice. Now we have a bow underneath the holly. Let's do a couple of ribbons coming down from the bow. One on the left. Just draw 2 curved lines and then connect them together. Now connect them, Artie. That's it.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Can you do another ribbon on the right side? And a second line, and then connect the 2 together. You got it! You want a dance break?
Yeah.
Okay, you asked so nicely. Go and have a dance break.
He sure has the moves.
Come on, little artists. Let's all dance.
I mean, obviously, it's a 10.
What a great dance break, Artie. You must be out of breath. Oh, you're okay? Well, should we carry on with the drawing? Let's finish the bell. Now, it looks like we're missing the left side and the right side to the bell. So underneath the ribbon, come down, stop at the ribbon, and then start again underneath the ribbon and connect to the bell. Same on the right side. Draw a line down, but remember to stop at the ribbon and then carry on from underneath the ribbon towards the end of the bell. That's it, Artie.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Should we give our bell a face?
A face.
Yes, why not? Let's draw a face. Let's put some eyes right in the middle of the bell. Very good, Artie. Wow, you're really enjoying your drawing today, Artie. Singing along and everything.
Yeah, Artie very happy.
Oh, that's really good, Artie. Art makes me happy as well.
A mouth.
You're drawing a mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
It's looking really good, Artie. Why don't you shade the inside of the mouth in black?
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, leave a little space at the top. That'll look like teeth.
Oh, yeah.
Now, how can we make it look like he's ringing? Artie has an idea. Oh, yes, that's brilliant, Artie. Just 2 little lines on the left and right-hand side. Now it looks like the bell's ringing. Finished. Wonderful news, Artie. Well, all that remains is to colour him in.
Do you think he should give it a splash of color, little artists?
Only if he uses his markers.
You're finished! Artie, he came out so good. I love the way you use yellow for the gold of the bell, and red for the bow, and green for the holly. That bell looks so Christmassy.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.